New data out of South Africa showing Omicron might be the end of the pandemic. Coming up on the Morning Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:20 in the middle part of the country here on Friday. Happy Friday to you. It is December 17th, 2021. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Let's start off with South Africa. Let's talk about some new Omicron data, and let's talk about hospitalizations going down. We've been on this from the very beginning, talking about the Omicron variant. It's not that deadly. Cases still going up, still going high. Hospitalizations going down. Only about 1.7% of cases are admitted to the hospital. That's drastically lower than Delta. It's starting to peak in South Africa, and it's not much more than a cold. This wave of the coronavirus pandemic spreading like wildfire among the developed nations of the world, and that's a good thing because it means that more folks get sick in a less severe way, giving them additional immunity, leading to people getting back to work normally. I think that's a great thing for markets. Rivian reported last night and reported a loss. We knew they were going to lose money. That wasn't the surprise. What was the surprise? Missed their car numbers. They were looking a few hundred short of their projected 1,200 vehicles for 2021. Of course, they got the Motor Trend Truck of the Year. That's a big award. Turns out, producing those trucks a lot harder than selling the stock, a lot harder than selling the story. Listen, I think Rivian is a nice story. If they continue to do really high-end vehicles, they will be fine. They'll figure out the production challenges. Let's just make sure we continue to get what we need to get done, hit our production targets. I don't think that's going to be a big problem long term, especially with the unending amount of capital they're going to be deploying. $5 billion into a new plant in Georgia. The Southeast is becoming the new Rust Belt. Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, all of these states have tremendous infrastructure and tremendous knowledge. There are lots of factories all throughout the Southeast that are producing cars. It's really becoming the new industrial epicenter of the country. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice weekend, we talked about Omicron. It's spreading like wildfire. Oh, it's going to shut down airplanes again. Actually, it's doing the opposite. More flights are coming online now than are going offline. Not many are getting canceled at all. New direct flight between India and Switzerland. Now it's the big boy. It's the A380. It's the biggest ship in the sky. It's going to be flown by Singapore Airlines from Zurich to India. Again, shows you the economy is coming back. We'll talk next week about what that means for oil and gas. If you want some additional information throughout the weekend, feel free to follow me on Twitter. As always, it's OKC CFA CFP. Until then, I do hope you have a nice weekend. I am out.